What's up, guys? My name is Austin Philbeck, and if you've never been on my channel before, you should really check it out. Go back, watch a couple of my older videos. I have some build videos with the 240 where I did a Sylvia front-end conversion on it and tried to make it look cleaner. I also have some older videos where I modified my Pontiac GTO. You should go check them out. And if you aren't familiar with the channel, you would know that I'm sitting in my new car right now, and there will be some videos about this car very soon, so if you want, you should stick around and watch those. But today's video is all about scaring my family members and my friends in my drift car. It's the spooky season of the year. We're going to release this right around Halloween. Had a lot of fun making this video, and I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you.
Well, your new tires are gone. I don't have my equilibrium back.
You actually gonna be sick? Go get sick.
Is your tire still together?
Should be.
Yeah, right. Are you gonna go back and do it again? No!
It's first gear. You want to get out and watch? It looks like it's like crawling.
No, I want to get out and walk.
It feels like it's crawling when you do it. Or it looks like it is. It feels so much faster in the car than it really is.
That's because it is faster.
It's not.
You're going like 60 miles an hour in a curve.
Mom, it's going like 20.
Okay.